Hey, welcome back, guys and gals, all you Hot Wheel lovers out there. Welcome back to 164 scale racing. Then we're going to be opening up two more 5 packs, HW race team and HW55 race team. Let's get started. Got the HW race team. HW55 race team. All right, we'll start with the HW race team. First up, we got a 67 Camaro. Pretty dark blue Hot Wheels emblem on it. White stripes. That's the 67 Camaro. We've got a 99 F-150 SVT Lightning. Also got the Hot Wheels emblem. Got red wheels. That's the 99 F-150 SVT Lightning. Next we got my favorite, 70 Plymouth Superbird. That big old spoiler wing on the back. Anyway, that's the 70 Plymouth Superbird. Next we got a Dirty Outlaw. Got that big old wing on it. The Dirty Outlaw. That's the Dirty Outlaw. Next we got a Hightech Missile. Hightech Missile. And that's your Hightech Missile out of the HW race team. All right, next we have the HW55 race team. First up, we got a HW4 Track. HW4 Track. I think they come in different colors. Well, that's the HW4 Track. Next, we got the Turbine Subline. Turbine Subline. Look at that, you see all the way through it. Well, that's the Turbine Subline. Next, we got a Mod Rod. Mod Rod. It's also a treasure hunt. Got a Mod Rod with a treasure hunt sign on it. Okay. Anyway. That'll be your Mod Rod treasure hunt. Next, we got our Erenstein Rod. Erenstein. These come in different colors also. Old Erenstein Rod. And then last, we got the Dodge van. Dodge van with a see-through top. Looks like it's got a, you're looking at it, looks like it's got some kind of little go-kart in there. Go-kart racing or something. I ain't never noticed it had a go-kart in it. See it? Huh. Dodge van with a go-kart. How about that? Anyway, that's the Dodge van. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the little unboxing of the HW Race team. Check out my other videos of 164 scale racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos. And we'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.